Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar. Just gonna give you guys a couple of a quick tip really. I'm out testing the Movi FreeFly gimbal. So tip number one, I guess here. One thing I like doing is taking the gimbal waist level, aiming it up at a high point, and then I'll lock the gimbal in its freeze mode and then just walk across slowly, as smoothly as possible. Just a good perspective that we don't see every day. And also, typically when you film things from a low angle shooting up, you give them a sense of power. Sometimes they look, you know, more powerful. So, example, dun, 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 versus this, where we look vulnerable, weak almost in a sense. You can use it in that type of way too. Again, I'm using the FreeFly in the majestic mode, and then I have my trigger set up to freeze it. So right now I have it, it's frozen, it's not gonna move, the pivot point is locked in. So if I click the trigger again, boom, it's unfrozen. You can do a cool little roll like that. So that's just a quick tip for you guys to do next time you guys are out using your gimbal. Again, I am testing the Movi FreeFly. That last little map move was its A to B mode, where you can select the start point and end point, set the time. Boom. Very cool. Anyway, stay tuned guys. Patrick LeVar. Keep filming. See ya. Alright guys, so I quickly wanted to jump in. I did edit this all in Kinemaster. Again, I was at work and I decided to make a quick video. So just to let you guys see my file quickly here, some of the transitions, I did use a layer right here in this little intro part where I brought in the video. Again, I shot that at work. Transition here, I used just a little quick fade. I use fades basically to try to, you know, because there was about a 5-minute walk from this original location to here. So I used the fade to kind of basically get into that type of zone. Again, just using the gimbal here. I did use one of the transitions here. Let's see which one I used. I think it was a zoom in. Zoom in. So I used the zoom in transition to go from up here to the wall into some movement. And here I used a straight cut, which I don't like. That's one of the reasons I don't like using Kinemaster. See this pause in between there? Like sometimes you can see that even in the full rendered view version. So that's one reason why I don't really like using this. And again, see the pause? Like it just bugs me. Why can't I just do a straight traditional cut? But anyways, I'm editing on a phone. One thing that you want to kind of pay attention when you do some of these transitions, like here again, I used a zoom in transition. But again, the movement prior to that was moving down to my feet, and then it basically zoom out. I put a zoom back into my face, so kind of, you know, trying to match some of the movements. I did it earlier too. Here, was it here? This was a cool one too. As I'm moving the gimbal towards me, you saw that I was moving towards me. I did a zoom in, so it's also zooming in, and then zooms in, and then you see the next move was moving up and forward. So matching your movement, and then using a transition really helps to glue these transitions together, and then just trying to do some random transition. Watch. See how that just totally blends in, guys? That's really cool. This next one here, I think I just did another quick fade because again, I was going to be talking. Again, I'm using the FreeFly in the majestic. I had another layer here on this bottom one here. I layered over. I added this when I was at work when I was reviewing. I was just showing you guys the trigger, and then again I talked about triggering in and out. So then I just kind of showed the quick action because it's all about the gimbal that I'm working with right now. And then here, I did a Luma fade, which is so cool now because when I first used to use this, they didn't have all these really cool transitions. But you can see there's so much white in the background. It's blown out because I wasn't using Filmic Pro. I was using the Movi app so I can use some of the features. So I used that blown out to my advantage to do a Luma fade. That was a perfect time to do the Luma fade. See, it's all blown out, and we'll use that to Luma fade into the sky, which was cool. And then this next shot here, again, having the gimbal up. I like doing this. I got these from Brandon Lee. Having the gimbal up and then walk towards something, and then walking under the eave of the building, and then you get this really cool effect. Look at that. And then the next one, since I was already filming up and I was moving up to the same color, it kind of almost matched the same color, I zoomed in to the next roof that matched. So again, trying to just get two alike shots and then using the transition to really glue them together. And then you can see right into the next ceiling. And then again, I did another Luma fade because this shot was blown out. Oh, I didn't do the Luma fade, I changed it. This one I just did movement. Since I was moving down, I did a what is this? This like shift one. This one shifted up because my next shot I programmed the gimbal to move up towards me. So again, this is zooming up and it's going to go into the up. So let's see that. Hit play again. It's going down to the transition up and then rolling into the up. So again, trying to match these transitions to some of the movements so the camera really helps glue them together. And then again, I had another quick overlay right there, the gimbal that I'm working with right now, which I'm trying to be, I'm still doing the review video, but today my ear is finally getting healthy enough where I can get some energy to get back out filming. So quick look at my Kinemaster file. I'm going to start putting some more videos together for you guys doing Kinemaster. Everybody wants that, but I prefer to edit in Adobe Premiere, but you know, I know everybody doesn't have access to Adobe Premiere and a computer, so this year I plan to try to get more edits in for you guys on the cell phone, but they're gonna be, you know, not the best of quality. But anyways, Patrick LeVar, keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.